Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and forgive me, my camera isn't working for some reason, just my screen capture. But anyways, it's me, Ike Paz, and I've been looking at my baby shower site, and this is a truly passive income website. I just want to give you a little behind the scenes, right? Check this out. The last product I ever did, and truth be told, man, you know what? I've neglected this website. I haven't done anything really. I haven't touched this since September 15th, 2018, right? Like last year, almost last year, right? 1 year ago is the last time I added a product to this site. But guess what? This little website still gets loads of traffic on a daily basis. Check it out. Gets 1,800. But recently it's starting to go down in traffic because I haven't posted any much content on Pinterest, or I also haven't created many new products from a baby shower site. So I decided to dive back into this little passive income machine and stock it up with some good products that I can sell, right? So as you can see, I still profit online. As you can see right over here, 10 hours ago I made a sale, and this makes money for me passively. So today I'm going to show you how to make money online with this business model, right? So here I am on Google Trends, okay? And as you can see, I got this interesting keyword here. And that's what you want to do. First thing, you want to be in a keyword rich niche. What I mean by keyword rich niche is a niche that is always going to have different types of keywords revolving around that market. So for example, if you're in the car niche, for example, let's say you sell different auto parts, there's all sorts of different cars coming out, different keywords people are searching for. That's a brilliant niche with all types of keyword diversity. Baby shower market is another good one as well, because you got all types of baby showers. Watermelon baby showers, as you can see right here. Pink elephant, here's some other ones here. Purple elephant, boho baby shower, which stands for bohemian. Space baby shower. So there's many types of baby shower you can look for. And here I am at Google Trends, and this baby shower keyword gets over 100, some days 69, some days 82 searches a month. Okay, and this is a relatively new baby shower term that's cropped up, that's become popular. And if you scroll down here, watermelon themed baby shower, it says breakout. So knowing this information and knowing that it's relatively new keyword that's on the rise, I decided to go ahead and create a printable baby shower game. This is really cool because see the inside of the game here, the actual game itself, I don't change. All I do is delete the old template I had and add the new one. Check this out. See, I'm going to add the new one and just bring it to the corners here, and it's going to snap into place. Just like, wait, give me 1 second there. What's happening here? Oh, here we go. Boom. See, snaps into place, and I just do it, and I got 12 of these different games, and every time I have a new theme, right, you just go create your theme or have it created for you. Okay, if you don't know how to create these types of digital products called printables, you can check out the link below. I have information on Printly. That's my course on how to profit online this way. But I just want to show you how to make money online. One true way to make money online, passive income, like I just showed you, right? So all I gotta do is come back to my Canva account, which is, I just use the free version, not the pro version. And I just snap on, I delete the old, and I snap on the new. And once I'm done, this takes me about 10 minutes. Once I'm done, I'm going to download the PDF. Okay, actually I'm going to change the name of this to watermelon, right? See, basically what you want to do is give people what they want. Whatever product you're in, whatever niche you're in, you're always striving to help people resolve an issue. So, if you're right now watching me in the internet marketing niche, I'm helping you either get traffic, learn ways to profit online, things like that. Okay, that's all you want to do all the time. Okay, you want to make sure people get what they want. It might be something long term, like a course where you have to actually apply the information, or it might be something short term like this watermelon baby shower theme game set where people are going to play it in one day and never play it again. But nevertheless, people are going to buy it. My question to you is, how long do you think it's going to take me to actually upload this to my Print My Baby Shower website, get traffic going via Pinterest for free, and make my first sale on this particular watermelon baby shower? If you think it's a week, let me know down below. If you think it's going to take me 6 months, let me know down below. I just want to make sure that when you see my next video concerning this watermelon baby shower theme game set, you're going to find out how fast it will take before I profit online using this little game. Let me know down below. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.